Hello and welcome to another episode of State of the Art. I'm Valentin Kepler, and today I will show you what you can do with behavioral modeling in the 3DX platform. You can use multi-domain physical models in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform to connect model parameters to requirements. This can ensure, for example, that all requirements still are fulfilled after a design change. So in our example of the excavator, we could think of using a simplified mechanical model of the excavator with hydraulics elements and control elements. And the purpose of that could be to ensure that our pump is strong enough to provide safe and stable excavator operation. In the 3DX platform, the behavioral modeling app can be used to simulate cyber-physical systems. And this app is based on Dymola, so let me first introduce Dymola a little bit. Dymola, or the Dynamic Modeling Laboratory, is a software for pre-processing, simulation and post-processing of cyber-physical models. Dymola is available as standalone software as well as integrated in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. The core of Dymola is the Modelica language and the Modelica standard library. So let's have a look at the standalone version of the software, Dymola. So we can see the Modelica standard library, which covers a lot of physical domains like electrical, magnetic, or mechanics. And if something is not covered, like hydraulics, you can use freely available or commercial available libraries to extend the Dymola capabilities. We use the Open Hydraulics library to model and simulate the excavator behavior. A typical Dymola model consists of blocks and connections, and we can have a look at such a block. For example, the hydraulics block, we can open it in a new tab. Then we see this hydraulics block consists of valves, of cylinders, and a power unit, which is connected to a constant speed rotating flange. So if we open this power unit in a new tab, then we see this flange is connected to a pump, we have a circuit tank, and we have a relief valve. So in fact, we have a very complex model of the excavator with control and hydraulics elements. And if we run the simulation, then we can have a look at the motion in the 3D animation, for example, and we can have a look at physical simulation results like the pressures or the forces in the cylinders, or for example, the pressure in the pump. So we can relate in some way our requirements and the model parameters by this standalone simulation, but clearly it will be better to do this seamlessly integrated in the 3DX platform, and therefore we can use the catia behavior modeling app in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. This is pretty much the same as the Dymola standalone software, so we can use the Modelica standard library. We can import the Open Hydraulics library. We can open the existing Dymola model in the platform. Clearly, we also could model directly in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and so we can connect directly simulation results to our requirements and to the model parameters. So this was a very brief overview over the behavior modeling app in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Thank you for listening and see you next time.